What's up guys, Americana back here with another video. Bitcoin takes the stairs up but the elevator down every single cycle, and you can't forget this. Here's what that really means for this cycle and how to know when a free fall is coming. Alright ladies and gentlemen, another week, another 5 Americana YouTube videos. Hopefully you guys have been enjoying the content as of late. If there's anything you guys want to see, I'm always down to have a free video idea. So, and I actually do that a lot. Some of you guys will suggest something and I'll actually cover it in a YouTube video. So if you have any comments, concerns, or questions, let me know. But let's get into the video. I feel like a good place to start is going to be 2017, but the same principles apply for each cycle, and we'll even discuss what this means for current cycles. But this is kind of a common term in crypto. Stairs up, elevator down. And it's no different than any market. If you're stock market, whatever you're investing in, gold, it doesn't matter. You'll get some sort of move up, kind of stair step a little bit, go touch support, some sort of move up, staggering, move up, until finally some sort of larger correction comes in. Let me move this a little bit so you can see. These over here are going to be our stairs, as the name suggests, looks like stairs. And then when I say elevator, straight down, essentially. Just like an elevator only works up and down as opposed to stairs. So basic explanation, but I think it's a good thing to keep in mind, especially as cycles play out. And as we'll get into this cycle, the stairs up concept has been a good identifier of where we could be finding support, places where you will freak out, say the cycle's over, just to get it to bounce from there. So as long as those stairs are holding, which we'll cover later in this video, everything's fine. But let's talk about once we get into the final phases, when we get the parabolas coming in, things like that, what this is going to look like. But take a mental note, take a picture of Bitcoin in 2017 and 18, stairs all the way up, retesting levels until it finally gets into this parabolic move. Eventually breaks, falls out of the parabolic move, and then we start to see those stairs fall in here, and that's a sign that, hey, bear market has set in, and we are likely in some sort of phase where we can expect some sort of elevator style movement down, aka, yo, it's a bear market, right? We even saw the same thing show up here. I know this doesn't seem like a stair to have all this and go retest it, but even retesting key levels in here with the COVID pullback. So let's talk about what does this mean for a current cycle? Why do I think it's important to talk about this now? Everything applying to current times. So this is pretty much kind of stairs we've seen so far this cycle, reclaiming this level, backtesting it, reclaiming this level. Everybody thought it was cooked, just for it to continue on. ETFs come out, backtest this level, backtest. The last 2 major consolidations, we've seen this happen. And then 2 or 3 weeks ago now, mid-August, early August, something like that, we saw the same thing happen. So what am I looking for next out of Bitcoin? Obviously, if I am bullish on the altcoin market, I think altcoins are going to outperform, but Bitcoin at least needs to hold up, and I would love for it to actually catch a little bit of a pump, right? So kind of one of my main, besides Bitcoin dominance, besides Total 2 and altcoin expansion, on the verge, things like that, simply just looking at percentages, right? From $115,000, even if Bitcoin goes to 250K, it's 116%. So you'll double your money plus a little bit, right? I could throw a dart at CoinMarketCap and find an altcoin that's going to do better than 117% in the coming months, right? So that's what I say when I'm like, I'm not super focused on Bitcoin. My Bitcoin is not going to make me money the rest of the cycle, but I do need to know when it's topping out, when it could be finding support, and following, is the stair steps following? Have we entered some sort of elevator? Because at that point, that's when my altcoins are going to turn over. Whether I like it or not, it's going to follow Bitcoin's lead, right? So that's kind of the frame, right? And again, we have these stairs up. So what are we looking for moving forward in Bitcoin, right? I made a video. I don't think I made a long form video about it, but I talked about it in some short form. I did make a long form video on Ethereum holding the 4K low. And for the same reason that I think Ethereum is going to hold the 4K low, cycle timing, historical patterns, things like that, I knew, or I predicted, that Bitcoin would hold that 110K area, not dip down to something like 105 or what was everybody saying, 98, 89,000, stuff like that, right? Simply just using cycle timing and staircase kind of system that we've seen show up multiple times this cycle. So moving forward, I do think the bottom of this move is in, and we can see some sort of expansion in the altcoin market, some sort of move in Bitcoin, even if it's just holding up solid around 120, 130K, something like that. But what am I looking for? Sorry to keep circling back, but Bitcoin's going to continue to break out and backtest. If we get a breakout in Bitcoin and Total 2 breaks out, obviously Total 2 is going to need to backtest after 4-year resistance. So I would expect some sort of pullback in Bitcoin, maybe to a 125K level, to retest this area. And this is going to continue to happen. These backtests are going to continue to come in. These bases are going to be continually built. One thing you'll notice right here is these are consolidating. These are condensing down. This is a 10 to 12% move from the breakout to the backtest area. And Bitcoin doesn't really have anywhere to go, right? If it pumps to 130K, well, you need 123K to hold, or the cycle is pretty much cooked, according to what we're looking at here. So it gets to a point where a parabola has to form. Some type of crazy expansion to the upside has to form. And I'm not saying we teleport straight to 250K, 180, 150, whatever it is, it doesn't really matter to me. I do want to point out you will see some sort of parabola form. And when I say parabola, it's just an exponential rise. And when that breaks, combined with, you saw in 2017, acceptance below some of those staircase levels that we've talked about, well, at that point, you can probably say the cycle top is in and Bitcoin and the rest of the market is rather cooked. So a couple things here, basic, looking out for the staircase up, elevator down kind of theme that we talked about here. Also looking for, at some part of the cycle where we would see 5 waves and a parabolic rise come in combination with the staircase up, elevator down, should give you a pretty good idea when cycle tops could be forming, give you an idea of what could be happening on price action. And then I know a lot of you guys are pretty heavy in altcoins, as am I myself. I recently, this last week, I don't know if you guys have me on Instagram, but I haven't put fresh capital in the crypto market probably a year and a half, 2 years maybe. I put 80% of my savings into the altcoin market last week. So I am super confident in what we're getting, right? I'm looking at it, I'm looking at my savings, and I'm like, dog, this is free money at this point. So ended up aping in there, but like I said, confidence is high that we will get some sort of parabolic rise, but we do have to be on the lookout. You do need to understand that all of this stuff trades together. If Bitcoin's turning over, it's because the stock market's turning over. If Bitcoin's turning over, that means the altcoin market's likely to turn over. So you do need to watch this, right? And hopefully this gives you a decent framework. You can throw this stuff up on your chart. You can look for your 5 waves. We've kind of talked about this spread out across multiple videos, but none of these exit signals are one-stop shop. Some of them are, but those I haven't really shared on YouTube. But these concepts that we talk about, they're all going to show up together. So when you see 5 waves, when you see a parabolic rise, when you see potentially elevators down starting, right, with other confluences that we've talked about on the channel for tops coming in, you can likely point to some sort of cycle top coming in for Bitcoin. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Super easy concept to understand in my opinion, but like I said, I think it's super helpful. Very easy to look at, very easy to understand. You don't have to do anything, just wait for your levels to get retested. If they don't hold, you can assume it's elevator down. Pretty simple and straightforward. So hopefully you guys find this useful. Hopefully you guys can add this one to your bag. If you have questions, let me know. If you guys, like I said, I mentioned this in the beginning of this video, if you guys have topics or things you want me to cover, don't be shy to suggest something. There's 1,000 subscribers. I get like 200-300 views and like 10-15 comments, right? So you guys are pretty visible to me right now, right? So use that to your advantage. I'm always down to help you guys out. If you guys have specific videos and I think it's general enough of a concept to cover, I'm definitely down to cover it. Even if it's disproving somebody else's views or disproving or proving something that you saw and you're like, what do you think about this? As long as it can apply to a broader audience, I'm down to make a video on it. But that's it for this one. We'll go ahead and wrap it up here. If you guys have questions, let me know. Free materials in the bio, free Discord in there. Hit me up anytime. But see you guys in the next one. Peace.